Hello everyone, I'm Laren. In this video, I'll discuss the basic rules of integration. What is integration? A process that reverses differentiation and has its own set of rules that we must learn how to apply. Here are its components. We have the integral sign, integrand, and variable of integration. So here is our table of contents. One, we have power rule. Second, we have constant rule. Third, we have constant multiple rule. And last, we have sum and difference rule. Our first rule was power rule. It states that the antiderivative of x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Let's have our example. Evaluate the antiderivative of 9x squared dx. So we will add 1 to the exponent and it's the same value as the denominator. We're gonna get a 9x cubed over 3 plus c. We can cancel it at 9 and 3. Our final answer was 3x cubed plus c. Our next rule was constant rule. It states that the antiderivative of kx is equal to kx plus c, where k is constant. We have our example. Find the antiderivative of negative 7 dx, where we're gonna add x to negative 7 plus the constant c. And this is our final answer. Our third rule was a constant multiple rule. It states that the antiderivatives of kf of x dx is equal to k the antiderivative of x dx. Let's have our example. The antiderivative of 6x squared dx. First, let's pull out of 6 of integral sign, and we have value to it to x squared dx. We're gonna multiply 6 by x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. And we're gonna get 6 by multiplying x cubed over 3 plus c. And our final answer was 2x cubed plus c. Our last rule was the sum and difference rule. The integral of the sum or difference of two functions is the same as the sum or difference of their integrals. Therefore, this is integration by parts. Let's have our example. Find the antiderivative of 6x squared minus 5x to the fourth power plus 2 dx. First, we integrate the terms individually and write it as the antiderivative of 6x squared dx minus the antiderivative 5x to the fourth power plus the antiderivative 2x. We can apply the constant multiple rule in integrating the first and second part, and we can use the constant rule in the last term. And our final answer is 6x cubed over 3 minus 5x to 4th power plus 2x plus c. I hope you understand something in the short discussion video. Thank you for watching.